Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Canada Dry, made from real ginger ale, 100% natural flavors. This is caffeine free, 12 fluid ounces, 355 milliliters, 140 calories per can, and this is just the since 1904, that's their brand, like how long they've been around. And then if you roll it over, it just says calories, like I just read, the daily value, percentages, and then like what is all in it. And then, yeah, if you roll it back over, you're to the front again. So just starting off, something that I just want to give props to Canada Dry for is just their design on this can. When it comes to any product, and I'm just like super crazy and like pay attention to this stuff, but I love to see the way different brands market their products. And I'm a stickler for, like, even if the product could be like the best product that I use, and if it's like in a bland container, like I literally am just so turned off by it. Like, it just, I don't know. I just really give kudos to Canada Dry for the way they marketed this. I love the little design. I love the leaves on this can. I love, like, obviously this logo has been around for a while, ever since I've been drinking ginger ale, so I remember that. But just, I've never seen the can marketed like this, made from real ginger. I just love it. But yeah, so just getting started on the product, how I feel about it and everything like that. My first thoughts of ginger ale, or my first encounters of ginger ale, have been since I was little. I remember when I used to get sick, my mom used to say, oh, get some ginger ale and some crackers, and that was like when I was little, tiny. But I just feel like ginger ale is never one of those pops where it's like you drink for enjoyment. And these are just my own personal opinions, guys. But when I go to the store and I think of like, oh, I'm gonna get soda, I never reach for ginger ale unless I know like I'm sick or something like that. But as of recently, guys, I've just really been into drinking ginger ale, and I just don't know why. It's just been one of those things that I guess has grown on me. I made a pact to myself in this past year that I would stop drinking dark and like fruity pop. So I only drink like Sprite, 7-Up, and ginger ale. But I used to only stick to Sprite. But Sprite has really been wearing me out lately. Like, it's getting like nasty to me, and like once you keep drinking something or eating something or just overusing something for a while, it gets tiring. So I was like, you know what? The last time I went to the store, I was like, I'm gonna give ginger ale a try, because why not? So I ended up purchasing it, and I got I believe it's like the 12 case, and it's not expensive, guys. It's like the price of like how much a normal case of pop would cost. And it was honestly like, I don't know why, but I ended up drinking like 6 in like 2 days, and it was really bad. And I ended up taking some to work with me, and that was really bad too, because then now I'm only down to 2. But I just love, like, and I hate drinking cold pop, so you guys are probably going to think I'm nasty, but I love drinking like room temperature pop. And honestly, I can finish a can of ginger ale in like probably 2 minutes now, and it's really sad, but I just love how like smooth it goes down. Like, I love the ginger taste of it. It says 100% natural flavors, and like usually I don't believe that when it comes to pops, but I honestly do believe that it's not like a harsh pop. Like, it just is honestly like just such a like smooth taste for me. I do appreciate this too, because this is like on the healthier side of things too. It's caffeine free, and I'm really trying to stay away from caffeine. And like, shout out to all the coffee like drinkers out there. Coffee has been something else that I've been trying to cut down. And so like, if you are like me and you're really trying to stay away from caffeine, Canada Dry is like one of the best choices for that too. I love how it lists the calories on the cans, because you rarely see that when it comes to pops. And so for anybody who counts their calories, and I know I had a really big problem with this, when counting my calories is like, okay, Like if I drink 3 ginger ales in a day, that's how many calories. And so it tells you right on the can, and I also appreciate that too. And something else that I really do love about this brand is it's just like one of those brands where it's just like it's been the same since I was little, and it's the same today. Like it hasn't changed since I was 7, and it's not going to change when I'm 22. Like, and I really appreciate that. It's just like such a classic pop to me, like something where it's just like you grew up on it, so it's like that thing in your life that like never changed. And it's just when I go to the store, I know Canada Dry ginger ale is always going to be Canada Dry ginger ale. Another thing that I really do like about this brand too is like they really outreached and like extended like different flavors and try new things on top of just the original ginger ale. Guys, if you guys have never tried like the lemonade ginger ale, or I think it's like the lemon ginger ale, that one is so good too, guys. Like I definitely suggest you guys trying that one too. Canada Dry really did a good job when it came to that ginger ale, so I really suggest you guys trying that one too. But other than that, like I said, guys, before, I really do enjoy this. It's a non-expensive, always the same, smooth tasting, well marketed, good branded product in my opinion. And it's just something for me that's like always like it's never going to disappoint. If I keep drinking it, I'll probably get tired of it, but I think that's with anything. But like I stated before, this is just the Canada Dry since 1904 ginger ale, 100% natural flavors, made from real ginger, caffeine free, 140 calories per can, and this is just a 12 fluid ounce can. And I really do recommend this, guys.